Hey guys, it's Jenny, and this is part 2 of Google-izing ARC conference summary notes. So what I'm going to do here is walk you through of what it actually looks like once everything's linked up and how it works. So I do want to point your attention to this little disclaimer at the top. I do want to remind you that this is a tool to help facilitate meetings, but it is super important that your notes are completely individualized to your student. So if there's something else that needs to be included, by all means, you need to include it, regardless of whether or not this document allows for that or not. So that's very important. I also want to show you a little trick that I've embedded here, that if there is a place in this form that is not applicable or something that you want to remove, I've just put in like 10 X's here to remind me when I get into the document that I need to delete that section. So you'll see what that looks like here in just a minute. So I'm going to put in the information as if I'm the student. So you can see there that my student first name and last name are in there. And ideally, if this all works, that every time that I tag student first name, you'll see Jenny pop up. I'm going to put in today's date. Okay. And today we're going to develop, review, and or revise my IEP and make placement decisions, and then also talk about post-secondary transition. So the parent did not request this meeting. It's just a planned annual review. Here on the attendance, you can customize this for your district, for your school. I'm just going to select a few here. Some of the core ARC members that need to attend. And then I'm transition age, so I need to be there. No one was excused. Everybody came to the meeting like they were supposed to. The parent rights were offered and explained. And so my parents are concerned about her transition into adulthood. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't spell. Including obtaining a job as a child care worker. Okay, and then does or does not require special education services. So this is definitely an abbreviated version. If you were going to build this for your district, you would want to go on and have many more fields, but this is just to kind of show you an example and get you started. So once I submit that, because I clicked that there was a trigger, it is going to come into my email and it's going to look like this. Okay, so this is my name populated in the subject line. It also populated in the title, just like we told it to. So what's going to happen here whenever I go into the Google Doc, you can see here that every time that I had it tagged for my first name, there it is Jenny. My last name, Hogg, there's the date that's populated in there. And so you can see all of those things are coming in. You also see here where I've tagged using those X's. It's flagged me that I need to delete that. It's not applicable. I wouldn't worry about the color coding. Those were things that I just color coded to kind of draw your attention. They may not be applicable, but with the X's, it's really obvious. You can scan through there easily and just click on those and remove those. Okay, so now that I've deleted those, I can read through it one more time, know that it's appropriate. I can highlight it and copy it and paste it over into Infinite Campus, and it is individualized and ready for Infinite Campus for us to have our meeting as a draft. And you can obviously still make amendments to it and changes as the meeting's going on. So that is it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, in addition, I know it was kind of a quick screencast, but if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can email me or tag me on Twitter. That way, if you have a question, maybe somebody else does too, and we can work together to solve some of these problems. You'll also see down here in the corner next to the Kentucky Go Digital logo is a link to the original presentation where you can go and see some screenshots and things that might help you do a step-by-step of the process. So I hope this is something that makes your life easier. I hope that it's helpful. If you need any additional assistance getting it going, please just let me know. And I hope you have a fantastic year. Thanks. Bye.